I'm going to give you an example of how to make a track saw for just a couple of dollars. Now, they normally cost hundreds and hundreds because you have to buy the track saw for the same brand because they work with each other. Now here I've just got bits of timber. You govern by your own design. I've just gone 4 foot. Now you have to have the bottom bit that overlaps. That represents the overlap of your saw between the actual saw blade and the end of the guide track. So you get that exactly right, that measurement there, and then basically support it with an arm on the side. So to keep the angle right, so you see that there? That little bit overhang represents the guide track and the saw blade difference. So this is the most important part to get right. You make your measurement, however wide it is, okay? Now, you put the little bit of overhang up to the line, okay? I'm just checking the line's true and straight. I'm happy with it at this point. When you go to do the cut, you put the little overhang bit in line with the pencil line. Then when you cut against the homemade track saw, you get the most perfect line with the little overhang bit just in line. And there you go. It's that simple. Hopefully I've made sense. Yep, and it saves you hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Anyway, consider subscribing because I'm just trying to grow the channel and the business and hopefully save people money.